Yes, my dear friends, today I will teach you the NTSC reasoning का most important, that is coding decoding. Coding decoding. So these words you might have listened it. Coding decoding, where it is used, that is message transfers are transferring the message in a secret way, especially used in the special army vigilance CBI department, so that they will transfer the message and code through codes, and it will be decoded to get the real message by the authorities. Okay, that will know it here. Now you see that coding decoding. Suppose that is the link. Suppose pond is POND is RSTL, then HEAR is equal to dash. You see the relations? Just like very easy. PQR to S, that is relations plus 6 plus 8. So it will be very simple. This to this, J, I, D, Z. Very easy. That is very easy, but practice is required to make it. Nothing to understand on this. Then this is coding, recording. Then you see the here is suppose market. Market is written as TEKRAM. According to market is written as TEKRAM. Then REASON. Region will be written as dash. Just check it. See the technique. This market, if it is written TEKRAM, easy, just reverse it. What happens here? उसको 3 कर दिया, TEKNRAM. Understand the logic? So accordingly, here you region 3 कर दो, that is NOSAER. देखो. So the logical changes. Here what will happen? I am giving one advice. You see, while this is given, suppose how you practice it. Very easy. So how you practice it? So practicing just method I am telling you. You can make your question by getting the help from your fathers and mothers or within the friends also. Suppose you see how you practice. You see region 6 letters. Sometimes. So it will be NOSAER. देखो पूरा रिवर्स हो गया. लॉजिक लिख दो. देन यू कैन राइट इट जैसे बोला है SON REA. जस्ट यू सी REA SON REA. उसको चेंज कर दो NOSAER. देखो कैसे चेंज होता है. So lots of questions you can make it, but if you make questions yourself, once you make the question means it will be clear. No practice, 10 questions practicing, 1 question you have to make yourself with the clue and logic, whatever I am telling you. Suppose here is also one more logic can be possible. 2 कर दो, 2 कर दो, कितना होगा? Here I am writing it NO 2 SA. Then ER. देखो only you go through the questions, you can get new questions and you can practice it also yourself. So nothing to worry, only practicing is required. Yes. So now see region हो गया with the table 1 2 3 4 suppose. Then you practice right market here. Then concept CONCEPT, like you can write what 5 into 4 20 questions. Then see the what practice at home. Very easy, nothing to worry. Okay, so this is one time. Then recording और देखो as per the number suppose आया याद है. Suppose आया suppose CONCEPT आया UNMULQR, small letter UNMULQR. QR. This is direct. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That concept area. So that is that area. Then at friend YSD FRIEND, that is YSDLMT. Then write predict. What will be with this code predict? You see, out of this easily direct, so you can get it P. So what will be the P here? You can write it P. You see P here positions, so Q. Like this you can find it out. So R kahan you see here, it will be here. E here, देखो, so E will be here, and E also the same. You can check it. So like this, what will be the answer? Predict QSLT GUR. कितना easy देखो. You think it's very easy, but very difficult because you have to save time on this type of questions. Otherwise, you cannot be successful. My experience, what I am telling you, you have to make. I will tell you the technique. So total 1 minute. Some questions will be in 20 seconds. Some will be in 1 minute. Some will require more than 1 minute. There will save it 1-2 minutes also. So there is the selections. So accordingly, you will make your principle accordingly. Suppose you see C is 3, B is 4, and A is 1. What you know from it? The numbering, letter numbers. So that is CAD. Then CAD is 682. You see, 682. CAD, you see, what will happen? CAD, it will be 341. No, yes, CAD, it will be, suppose you see, CAD 314. So it will be, option will be given 628. But how you know it? If 314 is उसको into 2 कर दिया. The number into 2, that is 628. Like this, you can find the answers from the that is CAD. Then you find DOG. कितना है मतलब D का 4, that is 15, that is 7. बड़ा हो सकता है, you will multiply it, that is 420 into 2, that is 840 is the answer. You see, Mr. Kori, 840 is the answer. So different types of questions you can have. Unlimited coding decoding का. Suppose you see at is 24. You see 1 3 20 क्या हुआ? Plus at is 24. Then mat is test. Very easy. You will get it like this. Number you must wrote it letters or numbers. So mat will be, देखो 13 1 20. That is 34. Like this. At is this. Mat, fat, chat, any numbers. If you get the clue, easily you can get it. Then one more question you see. Suppose at is 20. 20 देखो 1 into 20. देखो at is 20. At then into then bat is dash. BAT. You see 2 1 20. What will be 30. Cat will be follow 60. That will be follow 80. So that will be, you find it out. What is the number of x? 24. 24x into 2, 480. कितना easy देखो. So only intelligence is required. You link it. Suppose देखो, यार is 20 only b is added into 2, into 3. What I do it into 4, into 24. Oh yeah. But you save time. Try to make very speedily. Only the accuracy and speed those students will be qualifying. Not that you have funny. It is very lower class, huh? A to Z, it is taught in class 1, 2. Don't be careless. These questions coming in graduation level also. Logic is strong. Okay? So this is one type. Then other is, suppose O is 16. I am telling you. O is 16. For each O is 16 and for each 42. देखो O is 16 and for is 42. How to know from it? Here O का नंबर कितना है? 15 plus 1 कर दो 16 and here for is 7, 16, 6, 14, 18, 7, 15, वही 15, 18 plus 1 कर दो 16, 19 कितना आएगा बताओ 20, 32 देखो. So here you see direct number नहीं देखे +1 +2 +10 भी आ सकता है. So you should see the options what is given there. Then one more is, suppose it is 318. It is 318. Chair is 2, 4, 1, 5, 6. This is easy. Students are immediately we make a direct number 2 letter. Then you see TEACHER. This is very easy for class 10 student. Just direct number. You can find it out. 8, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, 6. You see. T, 8. Like directly you can get it. Any number. CHR, teacher दे दिया. Suppose RAT, any letter you go. घर में क्या करेगा? The technique is you must have to practice. Not that you solve 100 times. I'm telling you. Don't require to solve 1,000 questions. You solve only 10 questions. Go to the deep root to get the logic clue of that questions. Basing on that clue, you apply your pen and make your own question with different clues. That is the only technique. Suppose react, उसमें कितना आ सकता है? Fact. Practice only speed, timing you can find. Suppose you can make more questions than me. Suppose cat, care, CIR, CRE, care, you can make it. So from this logic, you go writing the at random whatever the questions possible to get the speed. That is the practice. Then I'm just giving the clue there. Suppose go is 32. Go is 32 and see this is common. Once it is common in the exam also. 49. So you must practice the numbers only. देखो that is go. That is what is the number of G and O. That is GO. G reverse the way. This is important. G on this way कितना है? 7. What I told you must practice. G7. But reversing it is 20. So O कितना है? You say O 15. A to Z. Reversing it will be 12. This you must practice it. That is total 27. Now see 20 plus 30, 20 plus 12, that is 32. Not direct. In the reverse in the way, that is Z to A. You see, Z to A, so it will be 32. But Z to A, Z to A, I have given you. Not required to note it. That the technique is, if you know ascending, descending पढ़ना नहीं चाहिए, just reverse it. Like this, A to Z मालूम है, Z to A, total will be 27 always. You see. So here 7, it will be 20, opposite way. 15, 12, 32. Like this, S. So SHE, that is 8, SHE, that is SHE 8, 19, that is 8, 19, देखो SHE, so कितना आया 49. So same process. So SHE 49 कैसे आएगा देखो SHE ई, एस कितना आएगा 8, एच कितना आएगा 19, ई कितना आएगा ई 5 22, देखो 49 45. Immediately practice it. You can do more speedily than me because you are young boys and genius boy. You practice. You can make more speed. Like this, you go on practicing. Number of parts. Only get one clue. Practice 10, 20, 30 questions on that clue. Clear? Practice हो जाएगा, speed हो जाएगा, and it will be confident and easy also. Suppose काई. So कितना आएगा? काई का 16, 18, 7, 22. देखो इट विल बी 63. सब रिवर्स में. सपोज के का कितना 11, A to Z 11, रिवर्सिंग 16. लाइक दिस I 9, देखो 18, here 7 must be 20, here 22. This way that way you can find it. That is 5. देखो so 16, 18, 7, 22. It is 63. You can write a number of words and practice it yourself. Okay? Yes. Then some of the clue I am giving you. Large number of clue are there, but first time it will be easy. So I am discussing only easy. Suppose और एक देखो, A is 2, Z is 52. What does it mean? एक का number जितना है into double हो गया. Like this you see B E T. देखो उसका कितना है 2, 5, that is 20. उसको डबल कर दो 4, 10, 40. 40 plus 10 plus 4 कितना आएगा 54. Immediate calculation. Immediate. Right? Then it is decoding is most important. Number of questions are there. So I am going speedily because I have no time. I have to cover up all the chapters. Cube, dice, reasoning, clock, calendar, number ranking system, रीजनिंग मैथ एवरीथिंग. सो थोड़ा सा स्पीड होता है. देखो कोडिंग का देखो. सपोज 2, 3, 4 is equal to 8, 7, 6. Then 5, 6, 7. What is the possible? देखो what is the logic? You can get it either double or treble or plus or minus. So you practice all type of clue whatever is possible. Suppose you see 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6. Clue करो total is 10 or 10 minus 2. So 5, 5, 6, 4, 7, 3. कितना easy है? If you get the clue, but if you compare it to plus minus, it is not possible and it would kill your all time. So I advise you while appearing how to appear the test and which way you can do better. That lastly I will tell you. Then you see. Then और एक है that is continuous pattern का substitution pattern. That is all come very easy. All can answer that question. Still I am discussing. Suppose you see given that all water is food. Both you can go through the guide. Water is to food. Water is food. Then food is tree. Then tree is sky. Like this. Very easy. Only one pattern. And then sky is wall. The farmer grows fruit on dash. So the fruit grows on dash. That means tree. So tree is sky. So answer will be sky. थोड़ा सा कंसेप्ट होगा. ऐसे टेबल इज चेयर इज स्काई इज कार इज एरोप्लेन. लाइक दिस. Then you have to go through the car on the road. That is aeroplane. So like this. So blue is red, red is green, green is white. Like this. So white is blue, blue is orange. So what is the color of the sky? So it is easy. This patterns also everything. Every time it is coming. Then कोडिंग डिकोडिंग का और एक मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट आएगा. दैट इज मोस्ट लेटर टू सपोज यू सी थोड़ा सा दैट प्रिंसिपल आई एम टेलिंग यू. 7, 8, 6 study very hard. It is also very easy. थोड़ा सा practice है. Study very hard. Always I told you, you go very slowly, putting all your brain on one question to know the fundamentals. Don't practice thousand. It will be confused. It will be no higher. 7, 8, 6. Try to understand it. 9, 5, 8. Hard work, pay. Yes. Hard work, pay. So, hard work, pay. So, it will be easy. Hard work, pay. Then, 6 for 5. That is study and work. Study and work. This type is common. Then I got what is the code word for very, or what is the code word for hard, for study. So it is the principle I am telling you that my formula is CQ. It will be applied in other cases. CQ means C means common. It's a very difficult one. A table, it will take one class for one table to explain. So that I am not explaining you now. That I will give you in my channel towards the second round. First round not necessary. बहुत difficult है. So common, first take common, compare, then cancel. Don't forget it. This is my method. CQ formula देखो. So common, compare here. Now see 7, 8, 6, 9, 5, 8. Common क्या है? 8. So here you see common क्या है? 8. So इधर common क्या है? Hard. So लिख दो. So this is the only question, but you find out odd. One question you take 10 minutes, no problem. Hard is 8. That always I am telling. Don't go to attempt the answers and get the marks from the guide papers. First you practice it, automatic speed time will be there. Hard. Then 1 to 2, 8 is common. Then 1 to this common क्या है? 6 देखो 6. This to this क्या common है देखो 6 देखो. Study. So what will we study? 6 देखो. Only brain applying curative brain. जीनियस बनते हैं. 6 देखो हार्ड स्टडी. हार्ड हो गया 8, वो हो गया 6. So what is left for very? 7. So it is 7. हो गया 7. Right? So like this immediately you will practice it. Then or coding kin, bin, jin, qua, po, so, sa. Nothing to worry. Don't fear it. But थोड़ा सा इंटेलिजेंट होकर you can do it. One example I am giving you. Suppose trains were always late. Trains were always late. Trains were always late. That is bin, fin, tin, fin, bin, jin. Tin, fin, rin, fin, bin, jin. Bin, fin, bin, jin. थोड़ा सा अकड़ लगेगा, but easy. This is one statement. 2. That is थोड़ा difficult हम दे दिया. 2. That is drivers were always punished. Drivers were always punished. Or always punished. That is jin, din, sin, bhil. Jin, din, sin, bhil. Sin, bhil. हो गया. Then third statement, you see. Just I will tell you the technique. Third statement, driver stopped all trains. Driver stopped all trains. All trains. alternates. Step alternates. That is been, seen, been, read. Been, seen, been, read. Then fourth statement is all passengers were late. All passengers were late. थोड़ा सा कंसंट्रेटिवली you have to do it. That is seen all passengers were late. That means din, keen, feen, bhin. Din, keen, feen, bhin. Right? Feen, bhin. दे दिया. So din, keen, feen, bhin दे दिया. Then you have to find out the code word. You have to find out the code word. How to get the code word? You see. Now see what I told you. Come on, compare this. Now see. Driver. देखो. Driver. Yes. You have to get the answers for any word. Answers for driver. So you see 2, 3 driver is common. देखो. So 2, 3 driver is common. So what is common here? 2, 3 sin. देखो. Sin. So driver is sin. Very simple. Then go for the 2, 4. 2, 4 देखो. 2, 4 में common क्या है? Where? देखो. Where इधर? 2 में where है? So 2, 4 where में common है? That is common क्या है? देखो. I4 did common. Did. So where is did? Right? So like this you can find out all these things. That is where let. Then let 1, 4. 1 to 4 compare करो. Let 1. इधर ही also let. So what is the common here? 1, 4. देखो 1, 4 में feel. So let is feel. So only one you get it. But I have find out 2, 3 other. But only one you get it there. So this is थोड़ा सा you take your own time. It will kill more time. But be serious and practice yourself. Immediately just come and compare and cancel. You can get it. Okay. One more is there. The group of words. So that is difficult. That is not coming in class first round. But second round आएगा. Don't. That is the comparing the words. For example, I am doing that. I will teach you for the next just example. Hem, RBXH. Spot. थोड़ा सा difficult है. Means you have to be very quick first. Male, XRHG, KNOTZBUI, FEELHGHB, PLOT VGUI, LATERUGHTICKOUYT. It is difficult. It will be coming in second round. First round. Still then, just I am giving the idea. Out of this, what will do? Come on, compare and cancel it. What will do? You see, first you find out only one question. Here one you see. This is in the jumbled conditions, not serially. Jumbled conditions. That's why difficult. Just I am giving the clue. You see, F, that is S is equal to Q. Just I am giving the clue. S, find it. S is equal to Q. S, देखो Q. Just to check it, not confirm. After finalization, you can get it. Suppose F is equal to B. Example, just I am giving the technique. Again I am explaining for the same. F, here देखो F और F देखो F इधर F देखो F देखो B देखो इधर H भी कॉमन है. So just take it. H E देखो E इधर है, E इधर है. Just imagine, you just put your eye immediately on this. Easily, very easy, but intensity देखो. You double E double H, so E is H. So if E is H, then F will be B. So F B, come on, but F will be B. देखो like this. F B, देखो F here, and both common B and H. Just compare B and H. But we got E is H is here, E is also H is here, and double E is double H. Must confirm. So if H is H, हो गया, then F is B. Automatic आ गया. Like this, M is equal to X. देखो M कहाँ है? M देखो M और कहाँ है? नहीं. So M is equal to X कंपेयरिंग करके. Then T is equal to यो. Here ये T देखो T इधर भी T देखो. You see इधर T कॉमन क्या है? U. So T is U. So like this, just I am giving the trick. So like this you can find it out. Okay, nothing to it. It is coming in the second round. Just hints I told you. Then also